but it's so tough.
So, welcome back to my channel. And I am back with another video on the lash individual lash queen. Some of my fave is Kiss, and I love like double flares. I even like trios. These are a really good brand. And since everything is like locked down right now, it's extremely hard to get to a beauty supply store that has regular stock stuff that I prefer to buy. I didn't think to stock up. At first, the beauty supply stores were still open. Plus, we in the house. Who you really need to be cute for, right? Bump all that. You see, I got my laying my wig. You know what I'm saying? I got a trip. I'm leaving. I'm out of here Friday. And I bought a couple different things. But what I'm here for today, loves, is this Kiss Lash one-on-one kit. Now, I hate strip lashes. I just hate them. Even when somebody else put them on, they just don't last long. Oh, this is like super cute. It got a whole mirror in here and everything. But I'm gonna just try to use it and see. I know how to put strip lashes on. I just don't. The application, they just don't last long for me. One end is always coming off. My friend told me it's because I got little eyeballs. Whatever, baby. I don't know, maybe because my eyelids are so small. I do have like the chinky eye. But this just looks like so clutch. It got scissors in here. It got like a little measurement ruler. It's like a 5-step thing. So it says first find your perfect eye size. So I'm gonna measure. This is crazy. Measure.
I mean, it's pretty much the whole thing.
This is crazy.
It's like it's the whole thing to me. Much more. It look like it's the whole thing to me, but
These in it.
come on, start at the iris. Maybe I gotta Google where that's at.
Okay. But and one of it is because it got these in it. For what I paid for this, it was like I might as well just get this particular. Why wouldn't it just be? Did I take it off wrong? That's stupid. Whatever. Why wouldn't it just be like I just feel like this about to be a disaster already.
A joke
to me.
I'm gonna use my
I
regular
definitely
tweezers
love
to
to
take this off because y'all know you gotta be super
extensions.
delicate and
And then my
gentle.
next go-to is just individuals. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this. It definitely looks too long. But man, strips. Stop it. But I'm trying to be fine sitting in the living room. You feel me? Why not?
This ain't gonna go well, y'all.
I gotta cut it down a little bit. This dumb. I ain't got time for all this. It's the same size. That's crazy. Hair glue. A little bit. We just gonna put some glue on here and go for what we know. And it's white. Be using hair glue. I'm gonna read the rest of what this next time, but I'm gonna just mind my business.
All they say is apply the glue and
Use the kiss glue.
Tweezers.
Y'all, this is the stupidest thing ever.
Y'all.
Can barely even get any out.
It feels uncomfortable. But you guys. All right. Check me out. I don't see how people, I just use my fingers.
Live on Instagram.
Oh,
Try to get some feedback. Ah, look, can you tell the difference? That mug on there. See, I knew all this time I just needed the proper tweezers. We about to be Sunday's best find, sitting in the living room sharp. All right. All right, all right, all right. Y'all, have y'all had issues? Well, I'm gonna let y'all, I guess I might have to wait to post this video so we can actually see how long they last, because I don't want to tell y'all, go buy these, buy this. And it'd be like, they only lasted 2 days. But I know people who reuse their strips. I don't know if I would reuse these. They're relatively thin and cheap. Like, I might reuse this pair because they're a little bit fuller. They're y'all, for what I know. And I'm telling y'all, I've always had a terrible time in the past. So this is just like, I'm so shocked. I didn't blow on the glue or anything. I'm going straight in. What am I to do? This is my favorite mascara, Maybelline Colosso, in the yellow tube. Y'all can keep that MAC. I really just want to put it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. I do believe we're gonna do a quarantine press-on nail video. I already bought them. I just been debating on if I really want to glue press-ons. But yeah, we'll be back real soon with another video. Thanks for watching this video. Give this pair if you liked it. because they're a little bit fuller, they're thicker. This particular pair just seems really, really thin.